A very good afternoon to everyone. The world is full of gem and diamond, and we are very pleased that here we have some among us. Me, myself, Pooja Dhali from Khudiram Boshu English Medium School, and my co-teacher, respected Joyanto De sir, we are here to present a topic on the art integrated learning. So, of course, before me, every respected teacher came and give a highlight to this point. So I will not waste much of the time. I will just say why we are telling and why we are focusing on this. We are focusing because we believe if a child can't learn the way we teach, maybe we should teach the way they learn. What is art integrated learning? Art integrated learning is a teaching method where art is used as a medium to teach other subjects such as math, science, language. Next, the benefits of art. Of course, we know equity, critical thinking skill, student buy-in, connective learning, empowerment. So, today in our classroom strategy, we have chosen a topic from class 9 and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. So, the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had, and this is the very first chapter of our class 9 main English book. Here we are getting a situation where the students, where the plot is all about the year 2157. That is, this is a futuristic play. Now, here we are in 2026 and the fiction is about 2157. The plot or the story starts in this way that two main characters are there. The name of the characters are Tommy and Margie.
इसके बारे में तो आज से कुछ महीना पहले मेरे दादाजी ने बोला था। अरे ये तो किताब है, किताब। रोबोटिक के समय में किताब है मेरे घर में। ये तो मेरे लिए एंटिक पीस हो गया। और मेरे टोपी भी खोल रहा है। एक काम करता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीजें हैं। अरे बाप रे, इसके अंदर तो स्कूल के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें लिखा हुआ है। स्कूल हमने तो कभी भी नहीं गया। स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स जाते थे, पढ़ते थे। आज से 130 साल पहले की बात कह रहा हूं मैं। तेरे कमरे में मिला है। ओह माय गॉड, एक काम करके देखता हूं, इसके अंदर क्या क्या है। माय गॉड, इसके अंदर स्कूल के बारे में लिखा है। आई हेट स्कूल। काम करता हूं और भी पढ़ता हूं। माय गॉड, इसके अंदर ह्यूमन जो है, ह्यूमन को बनाता है। मैं हूँ मैकेनिकल टीचर और मैं मार्गी के घर में रहता हूँ। एक दिन क्या हुआ पता है? जियोग्राफी के टेस्ट लिया था और उसी टेस्ट में मार्गी फेल होते गए। उसके बाद उसके मम्मी ने कुछ मेरे अंदर गड़बड़ी देखा। उसके बाद काउंटर इंस्पेक्टर को बुलाया।
If it is not possible to prepare such sort of puppet, so here we have our socks also. We will just put an eye on it and we can prepare those characters. And lastly, of course, I will say that we are teachers, we are here for a noble profession, and we have chosen this topic because teachers, books, they are very much into our emotion. They will be with us, they are with us, and of course in future also they will be. So with that regard, I would like to conclude by saying, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you.